So this time we will talk about maybe second derivative, and then after this question, if time is allowed more, then we may try to find tangent line equation using the implicit differentiation method. Okay, so given x squared plus y squared equals 25, find the second derivative y over second derivative x. Okay, so this one, so we need to think about those are all single variable, and this is constant value. So when we find out dy over dx, then this become 2x. We have to write dx over dx, but dx over dx just cancelled out. That's the reason I'm not writing anymore. And then plus and 2y dy over dx. So now you know why I put dy over dx these times, right? Okay, then equal to 0. Now subtract 2x. So 2y dy over dx equal to negative 2x. And now you solve for dy over dx, then this become negative 2x over 2y. Therefore, dy over dx becomes negative x over y. So this is the first derivative here. But this time we want to find out the second derivative. So we do one more time. So d square y over dx squared. This become, now we have to use quotient rule. So I'm going to make t equal to x, and then b equal to negative y, then t prime becomes 1, and b prime become negative 1 times dy over dx. Therefore, this direction first, so negative y times 1 minus x times negative 1 dy over dx over negative y squared, basically. Okay, so if you do so, then this becomes negative y, now plus x dy over dx over y squared. So far so good? Okay. Then now, so we have some completion here. So far we have d square y over dx squared equal to negative y plus x dy over dx over y squared. So looks like we are repeating second derivative and first derivative together. So you get really confused. So now we have to go back. So what was the dy over dx in this case? So go back here. Then we find out dy over dx become negative x over y. Therefore, now what I do, just replace that here. Then this become negative y plus x times negative, it was x over y over y squared. Then this become negative y minus x squared over y over y squared. Okay, so this time it become complex form. Then whenever you have complex form, we multiply common denominator, which is y. So I'm gonna multiply y everything. Then this becomes negative y squared and minus x squared over y cubed. Okay, so far our answer d square y over dx squared becomes, I'm gonna just say negative, so then x squared plus y squared over y cubed. So that's the answer so far. But Now when you go back to the beginning here, x squared plus y squared becomes 25. Therefore, you can replace this is 25 basically. So final answer, d square y over dx squared becomes negative 25 over y cubed. That will be the answer for this problem. Okay? So let's do one more question. So we are still finding second derivative for the equation xy minus 1 equal to 2x plus y squared. Okay. So as you see, this one is x times y. So you need to use the product rule. So what I want to do, a equal to x and then b equal to y. Then a primes 1, b prime 1 times dy over dx. Okay, therefore, this case you can do x dy over dx plus 1 times y, which is y. I'm going to just write y. Minus 0, so I'm not going to write anything. Equal to 2 plus 2y dy over dx. So far, so good? Okay. Then now, we are gathering, dy over dx term together. And the other term will be different side. Okay. So, I'm going to collect dy over dx on the left side and the other terms on the right side. Okay, then this becomes x dy over dx minus 2y dy over dx equal to 2 minus y. Okay, therefore this becomes x minus 2y dy over dx equal to 2 minus y. So dy over dx becomes 2 minus y over x minus 2y. Okay, so far that's the first derivative, but our goal is to find the second derivative. So let's do one more time. So this whole expression become division expression. So we are using quotient rule. So I'm gonna set up t equal to 2 minus y, b equal to x minus 2y, then t prime becomes negative dy over dx, b prime becomes 1 minus 2 dy over dx. Okay? So always this direction first. So d square y over dx squared becomes x minus 2y times negative dy over dx minus this one now. So 2 minus y and then 1 minus 2 dy over dx over this one square. So x minus 2y squared, right? Now I'm going to distribute and then just combine other term and then dy over dx term again. Then this becomes negative x dy over dx. Actually, I tried to input dy over dx into the this expression one more time here. The reason is we don't have to have dy over dx in this case here. Therefore, I'm going to replace this value into dy over dx. Then this becomes x minus 2y. I'm going to put negative outside, so minus. Then dy over dx becomes 2 minus y over x minus 2y. So 2 minus y over x minus 2y minus and 2 minus y times 1 minus 2 times 2 minus y over x minus 2y. Okay, and then over and x minus 2y squared. So as you see, we can cancel these two out. And so this becomes so far negative 2 minus y minus, now this case we can do 2 minus y and then 1 minus 4 minus 2y over x minus 2y over x minus 2y square. Okay, so when you look carefully here, then we can say this is the common factor. Okay, so what I want to do, I'm gonna factoring out that just the negative 2 minus y, then 1 plus 1 minus 4 minus 2y over x minus 2y over x minus 2y square. If you simplify that, then negative 2 minus y times 2 minus 4 minus 2y over x minus 2y over x minus 2y square. So as you see, another complex fraction form. So I'm gonna multiply x minus 2y everything here. Okay, then now don't forget this is already multiplying form, so you leave this one alone, then you multiply this and this basically, then you will actually have the exactly right term. So then this become negative 2 minus y and then 2x minus 2y minus 4 minus 2y over x minus 2y cubic power. Okay, so now I'm going to simplify this inside value, then negative 2 minus y is still outside, and 2x minus 4y minus 4 plus 2y over x minus 2y cubed. Therefore this becomes negative 2 minus y, and I can see those are like terms, so 2x minus 2y minus 4 over x minus 2y cubic. That will be the answer. Okay, so they become d square y over dx squared. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated, but the key point is we are inputting dy over dx value into here. But before we finalize, we need to go back from this original expression and then just double check what that is. Okay, so basically, so I'm checking the original one, and then we just go down here and then try to simplify. Then this becomes negative. So 4x minus 4y minus 8 minus 2xy plus 2y squared plus 4y. So you expand that, you will get this one, and from here basically you can cancel this two out first. And now I factor by 2 everything, then it becomes 2x minus 4 minus xy plus y squared basically. And now 2x plus y, from the beginning there was xy minus 1, so you can rewrite this negative 2 xy minus 1 minus 4 minus xy. Therefore these two cancel out, so answer becomes 10 over, so x minus 2y cubic. Okay,